Hello, hello. My name is Yuri Alexandra Mesa. Presentation: the member family. My husband, his daughter, my son. Okay. My family is beautiful. My husband, brother, my son, students, my daughter, students. Okay. My husband, year old, 31. Divorce. He is older. His soul, his brother, his Avon, hair black. Okay. It's the husband. My daughter, year young, 30. She's hair black, beautiful, and the mother has eyes are bronze. His student, she's tired. That is the father. His daughter is the father. Okay, it's the father. My son, Jerome, 9. The student. Son is me cute. My friend is me beautiful. My is Mary. He is really short than everyone. Is brown, hair black, beautiful. My family, days sport. My family favorite days sport is jog. My family dates like listen to music. My family like TV show Game on Strong. Okay, are a presentation member family. 3. I am 4. Bye.